PEP works by creating positive pressure in the airways to loosen the mucus so that it can move out of the lungs. The PEP device is usually connected to a manometer, which measures pressure. See the video of someone performing TheraPEP with a mouthpiece. Start with 5 belly breaths, in through your nose and out through your mouth in the shape of an O. Place your hand over your belly and feel your stomach rise into your hand. Remember to perform about 5 of these and keep them nice and relaxed. Next, sitting up nice and tall, elbows supported on the table, take a breath in through your PEP and blow out for about 3 to 4 seconds, keeping the blue toggle between the two lines or at a pressure of 10 to 20 centimeters of water pressure. In, 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, down. And in, 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, down. Allow yourself to finish your breath comfortably as you see the blue toggle go down. Keep up the good work and keep the pressures within the desired range. Take medium-sized relaxed breaths. In, 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, down. And in, 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, down. After performing 10 to 15 repetitions, take the PEP out of your mouth and pick up the cylinder piece and a tissue to perform some huffing. After the huff, take the cylinder piece out of your mouth and do your coughing and spit your secretions into the tissue. Remember to growl up your secretions after you cough to help you spit them out.